A joke. A joke me I make. 5 minutes makeup tutorial, guy. Let's get it. Going in with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer, just using that as my eyeshadow base. Then I'm going in with this blue shadow, and this is coming from the Morphe 35B palette. You know the old Morphe 35B palette? Yes. So I'm just adding that with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just packing it onto my lid, and then later on we're gonna blend. Okay, right now we're gonna blend. So this is the Bailey 231 brush, and I'm using that to just blend it. And notice when I blend it, it gives me this green shadow. Yeah. So I'm going in with this deep blue, and I'm using the Sylyne brush. I'll leave a link to the right of your screen if you want to check out these brushes. And I'm just blending that into my crease so that our crease can be nice and defined. Yeah, so I'm just adding that to the crease area to just blend it. Went back in with the same blending brush to just blend it out, and back again in with the, you know, Sylyne's brush to just define it some more, and then back in with the same brush again, and then back in with the brush that we used to deepen the crease. Now I'm gonna go in my LA Girls eyeshadow primer, and I'm just gonna use that to cut my crease. And this is also a flat top concealer brush from the Sylyne's brush set, and I'm just using that to cut my crease, trying to use precision. This is not like one of my, you know, perfect cut crease look, but you know, I was just feeling makeup today, and I did it so fast. It's like unbelievable. Like I usually don't do makeup like in 30 minutes, but yeah. But yeah, cutting my crease, as you can see, trying to be as precise as possible, and I think I'm satisfied. So, are you still cutting your crease, girl? Okay, now we're gonna use this brush now to just, you know, clean up the area, so if there's any excess. Yeah, now I'm gonna go in with that nude shade as you saw from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just adding that to the cut crease space, and I'm taking it more onto the inner portions and just using the brush to just blend it. And then I'm gonna go in, I didn't show the palette, but I'm gonna go in with this dark blue that we used to define the crease, because the crease wasn't looking too defined, so I use this pencil brush to just, you know, really define the area that we have the cut crease. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. Now I'm going to go in with this blue from the palette, and I'm just going to add that to the outer portions of the cut crease. Yeah, and that is just going to like deepen the eyeshadow look and to make everything, you know, come alive. And then we went in with this nice blue. I love this blue, and I'm just adding that on top. Then I went back in with the same brush that we used to deepen the outer corners to just, you know, ensure that everything is nice and diffused and the eyeshadow look is looking blended. Then I'm gonna go in with the same navy blue color, and I'm using a angle brush to add it to my lower lid. Yes, and we're just blending that, and then I'm going to use a clean fluffy brush to just blend it out, and that is basically it. Now I'm going to use my e.l.f. liquid liner to create a nice little wing. Nothing dramatic, just something that can allow, when I add my lashes, it hides the lash band, even though this lash band is not like really thick. But we're just trying to create a nice little wing because it's blue, the eye look is blue. So yeah, and this is our finished look. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it, guys. Really appreciate it. And to all the new subscribers, thank you. I see you, and I'm gonna do a little bit something special on my channel. Maybe the next time I'll, you know, shout out all my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. And, you know, continue, you know, checking out my video when you can, when you have the time to check it out, because, you know, it really does a lot and it makes me feel, you know, special. But guys, I really like this look, and yeah, there's nothing to it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.